Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change the profile picture of your Canva account. I wonder why you want to change the profile picture on your Canva account. It is because it has been a very long since you have changed your profile picture and you want to upload a new one. Or maybe you just want to remove your picture and want to upload something else. Or maybe you have something else on your picture and you want to upload yours. Or it could be any other reason for you to change the profile picture of your Canva account. Whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So simply install Canva app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once you have installed it, just simply click on it to open it. It will just take a while to open, and after that you will see the interface of the Canva app. Here you could see we have a lot of options. At the bottom we have different options, at the top we have different options, and even in the middle of the screen there's more options. So from these options, what we have to do is we have to select these three lines which is on the left top side of the screen. Just simply click on it and few options will pop up, and from there you will again see different options. So what you have to do is you have to click on your profile picture or your name. There you can see more options pop up, and from these options what you have to do is you have to select this first option which says account settings. After that you will get into the settings of your account as you can see on the top, and from there you have to again select the first option which is account settings. Just simply click on it so that we could go into the settings of your account. On the top, as you can see, it says your account and it has all the options and matters related to your account, like your profile picture, your name, your email address, and other stuff. So now from there we will see how we can upload a new profile picture or even can remove the existing profile picture. In the middle of the screen you can see a picture that is the profile picture of this account. So to change it, we have this option which says edit, and there you will see 2 to 3 options. Here we have to select the middle option which says change photo. If you click on it, the mobile photo gallery will open, and from there you will select a picture. Now I have selected a picture, and as you can see it just has been uploaded. So that's how you can select any photo of your choice that is in your mobile phone gallery. You can upload your picture, you can upload any kind of avatar or character or anything, whatever you like, whatever you want to set as your profile picture, you can select it and can upload it as a profile picture. This was the easiest way I know through which you can change your profile picture on your Canva profile. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.